In this lesson, we want to solve objective past questions under Calculus 1, which is limits of functions. My name is Anthony Osemencha, popularly referred to as Sir Tony, the mathematics doctor from Aplus lesson. Let us now get into this video. Example number 1. The question reads, find the limit as x approaches -1 of x raised to the power 4 minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 11. The options or the possible answers are A, 2, B, 8, C, 14, and D, 16. Let us see how to solve this particular limit question. Solution. Let us write the question and then we solve for it. So the limit as x approaches -1 of the function x raised to the power 4 minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 11. Now with this, we know that we have to find the limit of this function as x approaches -1. This function is without fraction. So we'll go ahead and I will substitute the value of -1 into x in the function. So it will become, this implies that wherever you see x, put -1 there. So x power 4 becomes into bracket -1 all raised to the power 4. With a minus sign, you have 3. So you write 3, you open the bracket, the x squared will become -1 squared. Since anywhere you see x, you substitute -1. So -1 squared. Then minus 7x means 7 times x, where x is -1. So 7 times -1. Don't forget, you substitute -1 in place of x. So wherever you see x in the function, you put -1. That's the meaning. Then finally plus 11. Now let us simplify. Before you simplify, I want you to take note of this. When you are substituting the limit into the function, please don't bring the limit symbol again. So we continue without the limit. So -1 all raised to the power 4 will still become 1. That is +1. Then you come -3. Then we go to -1 all squared becomes +1. Then we continue, -7 times -1 becomes +7. That is negative times negative is positive. Then plus 11. Now let's continue. Now we have 3 or the -3 times 1, giving us -3. Then it will become 1 minus 3 plus 7 plus 11. Now 1 minus 3 becomes -2. Plus 7 becomes +5. Now +5 plus 11 becomes +16. So the answer becomes 16. That means the limit as x approaches -1 of x raised to the power 4 minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 1 is 16. So the answer is D. D is the answer for this particular question. Thank you very much and God bless you.